How to fix sorry I can't edit images for you yet in Gemini, 2026. Gemini AI image editing problem. You open Gemini, uploaded a photo. Asked it to make a simple edit and got hit with sorry I can't edit images for you yet. Incredibly frustrating, right? Well, in the next 2.5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're solving one of the most reported Gemini AI issues in 2026, the image editing block. Whether you're trying to remove a background, change colors, or enhance a photo, this fix works across Android, iPhone, and desktop. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Check which version of Gemini you're using. Open the Gemini app, tap your profile icon, and look at your current plan. Image editing is only available on Gemini Advanced, which requires a Google One AI Premium subscription. If you're on the free tier, this feature simply isn't unlocked for you yet. Step 2. If you already have Gemini Advanced, sign out of your Google account completely and sign back in. This refreshes your account permissions and often clears the block instantly. Go to Settings, tap your profile, scroll down and hit Sign Out, then log back in. Step 3. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, find Gemini, tap Storage, then Clear Cache. On iPhone, simply delete the app and reinstall it fresh from the App Store. On desktop, clear your browser cache and reload the page. Step 4. Make sure your app is fully updated. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search Gemini, and hit Update if one is available. Google frequently pushes image editing capabilities through app updates, and running an older version will block you from accessing them. Step 5. Check your region. As of 2026, Gemini's image editing features are still rolling out gradually across different countries. If you're in a region where it hasn't launched yet, use a supported Google account region in your account settings under Data and Privacy. Step 6. Try the edit from Google Photos instead. Open Google Photos, select your image, tap Edit, then tap the AI button. Gemini's image editing tools are sometimes more accessible through Google Photos than through the standalone Gemini app. Pro tip: if you're still blocked after all of this, try switching from the Gemini app to Gemini on desktop at Gemini Google.com. The web version often has features enabled before the mobile app catches up, and many users in 2026 have had success editing images there first. And that's your complete fix. To recap, upgrade to Gemini Advanced if needed. Refresh your account by signing out and back in, clear your cache, update the app, check your region. And try Google Photos or the desktop version as alternatives. Simple steps that actually work. If this video saved you time, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and tell me in the comments which step worked for you. I read every single one.